What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Puma Rebound High. Let's go! So the first thing we're going to do is take our lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just bring your lace up into the shoe a little bit, and then when you take your lace across the front, just flatten it out as much as possible, and then bring the other end of the lace down through the opposite first hole, and again just pull your lace down into the hole and into the shoe a little bit, and then we're going to make sure our laces are the same length on both sides by putting the ends together and pulling up, just like that. So I'm just going to make sure that's sitting quite loosely there on the front, and then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the second hole on the inside of the shoe. And when you take it across, if you catch your lace on your finger, it does help you to put that loop sitting above the hole, so you get that nice loose look. Then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside second hole. So I'm just going to check those are sitting the way I want them to. I'm going to bring them in a little bit, like that. And now that we've used the first two holes, I'd recommend that you pad out your shoe. So I'm just going to put some socks inside here, and that will broaden out the shoe and it will help you get those nice wide loose laces. So we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the third hole on the inside. Another idea for catching the lace on your finger as well is it does help you to untwist it as you go, and then take the inside lace across to the third hole on the outside. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the next hole on the inside. Then take that inside lace across the shoe to the fourth hole on the outside. If you just want to make sure that your loops that you're making are the same width, if you open up your shoe, it'll stretch them out to be the same. Then we're going to take that outside lace across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. And the inside lace comes across to the outside fifth hole. And now you've made 5 loops going up the shoe. I'm going to take the lace through the hoop on the tongue. So glide it through there, making sure it's nice and flat, and down through the next inside hole. Then take that inside lace through the hoop, sitting it on the lace that's already there, and down through the outside hole. Just going to check that the loops are the same. And then the outside lace is going to come round the shoe again into that first hole on the collar. Then take the inside lace around and down through the first hole on the opposite side of the collar. And then take that outside lace through the hole from the back to the front on that top hole, like that. And the inside lace comes across to that top hole on the opposite side of the collar and down like that. I'm just going to check now that all the laces are sitting nice and loose. And there you've got your loosely laced Puma Rebound High. So with the left shoe, we're going to match what we did with the right shoe, and we're going to start with our lace down through that outside first hole. So just bring it up into the shoe, just a little bit, and then flatten out your lace as you pass it across the front. Bring the opposite end of the lace down through the first hole on the inside of the shoe. And then to make sure that our laces are the same length, ends together and pull up. So again, just loosen that off to match your right shoe. And we're going to start with the outside lace, bringing it across to the second hole on the inside. catching it on your finger to make that loop. Then take the inside lace across to the outside second hole. Just going to bring that in to make sure that they're both matching. And then we're going to pad out the shoe with a sock to make our loops wider. So we're going to take that outside lace across the shoe to the third hole on the inside. Then take that inside lace across to the third hole on the outside. Just check that your laces are the same, pull out your shoe a little bit and widen out those loops. And take the outside lace across to the inside fourth hole. And the inside lace across to the outside fourth hole. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the inside fifth hole. Just going to bring that one in a little bit, it's looking a little bit wide. And take that inside lace across to the outside. And then when you've done your 5 hoops, we're going to take the lace through the hoop on the tongue. So push it through, keeping it nice and flat, and then bring it down through that inside hole. And take the inside lace through the hoop, sitting it on top of the lace that's already in there, and down through the next outside hole. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it around and down through the hole on the collar. Then take the inside lace and round through that first hole on the collar. And then just check all your loops are sitting the way you want them to. I think I'm just going to bring these ones in just slightly to give me a little bit more lace at the top. Like that. And then I'm going to take the outside lace across and out through that top hole on the collar. Like that. And then the inside lace is going to come across and again out through that opposite top hole on the collar. And there you've got your loosely laced left shoe. So I'm just going to check that all the loops and the ones at the top haven't come in too much. Like that. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet.